Hey, it's Matt with McGee Farms, and I've got the quick hitch hooked up to the back of the tractor here. And one thing with the quick hitches, if you've messed with them, if you're thinking about getting them, is if the implement works with it, they're really nice to have and they come in handy. Problem is, a lot of implements don't, but a lot of them, like mine, are all category 1 implements, and this part here is for a category 2, so the pins really don't fit in there. So I had a company that contacted me. They're called Fulankin, if I'm pronouncing it right. Hopefully I am. And they've got these bushing kits that are coming really nice. They're DEF is the brand of it, and I've got them right here. I just opened up the box, and basically these will slip over your pins, and they fit right in here and lock on, and that way it basically lets it work without having to change the pins out, because I don't have quick hitches on all my tractors, so this way I don't have to change pins every time I want to use it with a different tractor. They've got a couple of holes in here. They come with pins, so I can get this opened up and get these pins out of here. They'll come with a couple of different pins, and you'll see one is like kind of beveled a little bit. Those go in, and you just kind of hammer them in, and that can be a little bit of a pain at first getting them lined up because they want to move around with the pin. I found it's best to actually start these in a little bit. Otherwise, what happens is when you hit them with a hammer, they just fly off, and you got to go find them. I think the last time I used one of these, I even got some pliers and kind of like bent this in. That way it kind of helped me get it started a little bit. And once you get it started, get a sledge and it pops right in. Now the kit also comes with a few other bushings too. Kits I've gotten in the past did not have these. I'm assuming these are for the center pin. I'm not 100% sure, but we'll look into that. But right now I'm basically just gonna kind of get one of these on. I'm gonna have to set the camera down because, well, I'm not gonna be able to hammer these in and hold the camera at the same time. But I'm gonna try to put it on my bale spear, my Yendatech bale spear that I just got, and we'll get them on and we'll hook it up and show you how it works. Okay, so I've got them on. They're locked in with the pins. I put them on and off a couple times just to make sure that, you know, everything lines up right. And now that they're in, you just lock it in place. Come over to this side, same thing. And they're in there good and tight. They're not going to go anywhere. Now the next part is just to hook up the top link, and you're in business. I'm going to put a link to these bushings at the bottom of the page in the comments section if you're interested. They're about 27, 28 bucks. Not very expensive, and definitely well worth it, because if these things aren't in right, if you're hauling a heavy bale or something like that, you could end up losing it or messing something up. So it's Matt with McGee Farms. If you like the videos, please consider subscribing to our channels. Maybe giving us thumbs up. If you got comments or questions on any of the products that we ever talk about in the videos, leave us a comment. Let us know. I always try to answer that, or our email is usually at the bottom of the screen at some point in the video. And I always try to answer any emails as well. Until next time, have a great day.